Hello, welcome to my channel Gosia Cake, Dessert and more. Today I'd like to show you a wonderful recipe for pumpkin pancakes, Placki's Dynią. It's a very nice recipe and very simple. I hope you like it. First part, I will shred pumpkin. I have 3 cups of shredded pumpkin, 2 eggs, vanilla 1 tablespoon, sugar, three teaspoons, salt, half a teaspoon, sour cream, half a cup. Be a very nice recipe. Baking powder, one teaspoon, flour, one and a half cup. Now I have to mix everything. It's very easy recipe. And cinnamon. 1 teaspoon. It's nice, pretty thick consistency. Now it's time to make pancakes. Skill is hot. 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin, I put the stove on a medium and high. Pancakes looks beautiful. I have to flip on the other side. Oh, this one's not ready yet. Turn. To fry pancakes on both sides to remove excess fat. I put a paper towel. Pumpkin pancakes ready. I serve with sour cream and sugar. The pumpkin pancakes done. Looks so delicious. Try once, it's so good. If you like this recipe, give me a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be the first to see the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.